give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Friday, the 12th of June. Condensed milk coffee from this morning. That's sweet. If you have your Bibles, 1 Corinthians 9 verse 23, 1 Corinthians 9 vers 23. I do all things for the sake of the gospel, so that I may become a fellow partaker of it. And Paul's saying a very interesting and very challenging thing here. He says, I do all things for the sake of the gospel. In other words, whether he's cooking food, whether he's cleaning house, whether he's working, whether he's directing a company, whether he's driving a vehicle, it doesn't matter what he's doing all for the sake of the gospel, that he may partake in the gospel. The Christian faith is you either live it or you don't. It either shapes everything about your life or it shapes nothing. It's not something that you put on a Sunday and take off on a Monday, and like a rugby player or a hockey player or a sportsman who dons a uniform, picks up the equipment, plays it for an hour, during the week may practice a little bit at it, and then takes off those clothes and carries on. Our lives become shaped by our faith. The gospel radically transforms our approach to every part of our lives. The eating, the sleeping, the socializing, the downtime, the resting time, the work time, the productive time, the time with family, the time with friends, the time with work colleagues, the time with everything about your life becomes shaped by the gospel. I do all things for the sake of the gospel. I kind of ask myself, is this pleasing to God? Is this acceptable? My words, my thoughts, my actions, I constantly question, is this for or is this against? There's no neutral ground. And just think about that. Think about the challenge. Do I go to church on Sunday or not? Well, whether I go to church or not, do I do it for the sake of the gospel, or do I do it for the sake of being seen? Do I do it for the sake of image? Wat is die dryfkrag? Wat is die motivering? Wat is die motief? Wat is die hart van my lewe? Paulus sê, dis alles. Alles in my gaan oor die evangelie. Alles in my gaan oor dit, want as dit nie my fokus bly, gaan ek lauwarm word en ek gaan nie 'n deelnemer wees. I'm not going to be a partaker. I'm not going to take part in this gospel that I'm living for. Let that be the challenge that you take on as you go into this weekend, and then, Lord willing, see you Monday again.